Today, everyone, would you live in a world where people only judge us by the mistake, but not our effort to make something good? What would that world look like? What I really want to discuss today is what it is in fact to be perfect, not outwardly but spiritually. It is a popular belief that being perfect is to be flawless. The thing is, the perfection is not about going without making mistakes. It is about learning and developing and making right choices. People see righteousness in two ways: others depend on their good action and believe they are superior to others. This is called self-righteousness. Others believe in the grace of God, confess their weakness, and live with humility. This is good righteousness. In my life, I have discovered that self-righteousness only leads to pride, while good righteousness means being humble and kind. I have supposed that is what makes any individual really perfect, not being perfect, but letting our imperfection guide us in the direction of the right. So on the way out of here today, we should all keep this in mind. What it means to be blameless is not to commit sins but to live with a sense of humility, faith, and love. Such is the sort of life that should we strive to achieve. And thanks, and may we all prefer righteousness to pride. Thank you.